Hello guys, welcome to Exam Days. In this video, we are going to discuss about OPSC ASO Recruitment 2022 notification. So, Odisha Public Service Commission OPS team has released Assistant Section Officer post for the post of Group B category. Total number of posts are 796. And the qualification for this post is Bachelor of Degree, and age limit is minimum 21 years to maximum 32 years. And the last date of online application for this notification is February 19, 2022. So we're going to discuss about the complete notification details on Exam Days page. So here we're going to check the official OPSC notification. So this is the official notification which is released on in January 2022 month. So here is the complete notification details. So the link for this online application, which is available from January 20, 2022 to 19 February 2022. So this is the complete online application dates, and the number of notifications are 796. The post is Assistant Section Officer in Group B of Odisha Secretariat Service under the Home Department, in which the scale pay is 35,400 rupees. So this is the only for the selected candidate. They'll get monthly 35,400. Which is under the level 9 cell 1 as per the pay matrix of Odisha state. So this is the pay scale. The rule is 3 ORSP rules under 2017. So this is the rule, the section area. And we coming to about vacancy positions. Unreserved category 447 and 149 for the women category, and SCBC category 62 post, 21 for the women. Scheduled caste SC is a 109 post and 36 reserved for women. Scheduled tribe 178 post, 59 is a reserved for women. So total number of posts is 796. So in this 265 reserved for women category. So these are the vacancies, and here is a given some reservation for the spokespersons and ex-servicemen and PWD candidates. So these candidates will have some special category. They will get spokesperson will get a 8 post. So in this 3 posts are reserved for the women, and ex-serviceman is a 24 post, and the person with the disabilities 39 post, and 13 is reserved. So these are the posts which are reserved for these 3 categories persons. So we going to move on. Yeah, this is the physical requirement and the functional classification as the detail is given, which is under the code SSC, MF and RW, and the functional, the code is OL, OA, LVBL, HI. So these are the each abbreviation is given in this tabular form. So you can check all the information about what is S and what is a C and what is a MF, and followed by RW. So age limit for this notification is minimum 21 years to maximum 32 years, which is as on January 1, 2021. So this is the DOB dates are given here. So the candidate should be born in between 2nd January 1989 to 1st January 2000. So these are the date must be included. And here is the person with disabilities which is belongs to these categories, which is SC, ST, SCBC. They are eligible up to the age relaxation is benefit up to maximum 15 years. Educational qualification: the candidate should have bachelor degree, so in any discipline, with minimum pass marks, and with those have the knowledge on computer applications. So what is computer applications? All the details will be listed out in appendix 1. This is the category. This is the last page of the this notification. The detail is available. And exam fees is 500 rupees for the candidates who are OC and SB OBC candidate, and SC ST candidates who are exempted from the fee of this application. So what is the selection procedure? One is a written examination and followed by the computer skill test. So there is no interview for these notifications. So candidates should be passed in the written examination as well as in computer typing test or computer skill test. And move on. So they are given, this is the place of the examination. Total 33 examination centers are given. So these are zones. So here is 33 zones are given. So you can check any zone while filling the application form for the examination center. So here is some other conditions are given for the qualifications. You can check it already. Maximum they're giving preference to the who speak ODI language fluently, so without any disturbances. So they will get some preference for this post, and followed by next. So this is other information as given, and if you can check what is the syllabus criteria for this post is the total is given. 4 papers are given, paper 1, 2, 3, 4. Each paper has certain marks. Suppose say paper 1 general awareness is 100 marks, 100 questions, and 1.5 hour is the time duration. And the paper 2 is a test of reasoning and mental ability as a 50 marks and 50 questions, and mathematics as per the 10th class 50 marks and 50 questions. For this 50-50 total time period is 1.5 hour, and for the language is English language and ODI is the total is 100 200 marks and 200 questions. So for this paper 2 hours. And the last but not least is the skill test in the computer, which is application which is a practical examination, is the 50 marks 50 questions is for this skill test we have candidate have 1 hour durations. Another certain information is given, and there will be wrong answers. Each wrong answer will is deducted 0.25 marks. And here the syllabus information is given. You can check all the information here. So this is about ASO notification. And what is conclude? The conclude is ASO notification is have a 796 post, and last date is February 19, and age is 21 to 32 years. And the information is given, and the official link is given on this exam list page. You can go through this page and you can check it out, all this information. Also you can check the official link is here. So any questions you can check down the description box about official notification link. Thank you.